Hello, I'm Angela, Sales Engineer at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the series TDFS2, Thermal Dispersion Flow Switch. Dwyer's low maintenance and dependable TDFS2 can be utilized to monitor flow rate in applications such as liquid transfer systems, boiler flow proving, hot water heaters, and chillers. The TDFS2 provides long-term reliability and life expectancy compared to mechanical flow switches, as there are no moving parts to maintenance. This switch only needs to be installed 10 to 25% into the process, minimizing pressure drop. In addition, the 316 stainless steel construction is NEMA 4X rated for a wide variety of applications. The TDFS2 has a field-adjustable set point over a range of 0.5 to 10 feet per second or 0.15 to 3 meters per second. Users can change this by tapping the included magnet on the set point target while the flow is at the desired rate. This flow switch provides visual indication of the flow rate using two status LEDs located on opposite sides of the unit. Each window has a green and a red LED, which designates whether the process flow rate is above or below the set point. The TDFS2 also provides normally open and normally closed outputs to indicate the flow rate relative to the set point. The TDFS2 uses an impulse thermal dispersion measurement technique to measure the flow rate. The probe is heated above the process temperature and then is allowed to cool. The flow rate is determined from the rate at which the probe cools. This technology also remains unaffected by empty pipes, as it has a thermal cutoff protection to avoid overheating. To learn more or to order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.